Hello, my friend. Welcome to 24/7 Talk English. Let me ask you something important. Do you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? Do you feel fear, hesitation, or shyness when speaking English? You are not alone. Millions of learners feel the same way. Today's lesson is for real-life English, not book English, not difficult grammar. In this episode, you will learn 25 essential daily English sentences. These sentences are simple, these sentences are useful, and these sentences can help you start speaking with confidence. Listen calmly, listen slowly, and remember, you don't need perfect English. You need usable English. Let's begin. Everyday starter sentences. Let's start with very common sentences. You can use these every day. Sentence 1. Good morning. How are you? This is a friendly way to start a conversation. You can say it at work, with friends, or with neighbors. Sentence 2. I'm fine, thank you. This is a polite reply. You can also say, I'm good, or I'm okay. Sentence 3. What are you doing? This sentence helps you connect with people. It shows interest. Sentence 4. I'm just learning English. This is a powerful sentence. It tells people you are trying, and trying is brave. Sentence 5. Can you help me, please? Never feel shy to ask for help. This sentence opens doors. Sentences for daily life situations. Now let's talk about daily routine English. Sentence 6. I need some time. This means you are not ready yet, and that's okay. Sentence 7. I don't understand. This sentence is honest. When you say this, learning begins. Sentence 8. Can you say it again, slowly? Slow English is good English. Never rush. Sentence 9. I am learning. Please be patient. This sentence builds confidence and respect. Sentence 10. Thank you so much. Gratitude makes your English sound natural and warm. Confidence-building sentences. Now let's work on confidence. Sentence 11. I can try. This sentence removes fear. Trying is more important than winning. Sentence 12. I am not perfect, but I am improving. Say this sentence to yourself every day. Sentence 13. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes are teachers, not enemies. Sentence 14. I speak English a little. A little today, more tomorrow. Sentence 15. I want to practice more. This sentence shows motivation, and motivation creates success. Real conversation sentences. Now let's move to real conversation. Sentence 16. What does this mean? This helps you learn new words naturally. Sentence 17. How do you say this in English? Very powerful sentence for learners. Sentence 18. I am trying to speak better English. People will support you when you say this. Sentence 19. Please correct me if I'm wrong. This sentence invites learning. Sentence 20. Thank you for explaining. Simple, polite, professional. Positive daily sentences. Let's finish with positive energy. Sentence 21. Today, I will practice English. Start your day with this thought. Sentence 22. I am getting better every day. Believe it. Say it. Sentence 23. I can speak English, even if it's slow, even if it's simple. Sentence 24. I am proud of myself. Confidence starts inside. Sentence 25. I will not give up. This sentence can change your life. Practical motivation. My friend, don't try to memorize everything in one day. Choose 5 sentences. Repeat them today. Repeat them tomorrow. Use them in real life. Speak alone. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak while walking. Don't wait for perfect English. Perfect English does not create speakers. Practice creates speakers. Your accent is okay. Your mistakes are okay. Your speed is okay. Just keep going. You took a step today, and every step matters. Remember, confidence comes from use, not from books. Fluency comes from courage, not from fear. If this lesson helped you, like this episode, share it with someone learning English. Subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, because here, we don't judge, we practice. This is 24/7 Talk English. English for real life, English for confidence, English for you.